Hello everyone, my name is Dan with Train Control Systems. This video is an introduction to Audio Assist, TCS's exclusive auditory feedback programming tool. Audio Assist was developed exclusively for WOW sound decoders and has been included on each and every one since version 1. Audio Assist has grown with each release to include more features and greater ease of use. With Audio Assist, you can make essential changes to your sound decoder such as lighting effects, button mappings, and of course sound control. Beyond that, you can also use Audio Assist to perform back EMF calibrations, perform factory resets, configure user presets, and more. This video series will cover each of those features in detail, so be sure to check out our individual videos. Audio Assist was developed with the goal of making the programming of configuration variables, also known as CVs, fast and painless. Previously, in order to make a change to a sound or a lighting effect, you would need to perform multiple CV programming operations. Using that method, you would first need to determine the configuration variables that correspond to that feature, and then choose the value or values which you would need to perform the desired operation. After that, you would need to enter the programming mode on your command station and set all of those values in order into your decoder using your throttle. In many cases, this would also require moving the locomotive to a programming track.
Just tell me what to do!
To eliminate all of that inconvenience, Audio Assist allows a user to configure these CVs without the need for any sort of memorization or advanced programming operations. With just a few button presses, you can configure your prototype sounds, lighting effects, and button mappings. With Audio Assist, there's no need to look up CVs in a manual, or use a computer or JMRI. Audio Assist works well in conjunction with TCS's Rotate feature, which is covered in a separate video. Follow the link in this video's description if you want to learn more about that feature. In essence, Audio Assist eliminates the need to memorize CVs and CV values. For an experienced operator, an entire locomotive can be configured to prototype in a matter of moments. Audio Assist is also great for newcomers to DCC, because all you need to do to configure your locomotive like a pro is listen. Simply follow along with the system's audio prompts and you can configure your locomotive however you want. Audio Assist does not eliminate the use of CVs on a decoder, however. You may of course at any time use CV programming to set any of the configurations Audio Assist can. What that means is you can still do it the old-fashioned way if you want. If that's the case, you can find programming guides and tools on our website. By looking up the product page for your decoder, you can click on the Documents tab to view all of the relevant programming guides and documentation for your decoder. Now let's dive into the basics of Audio Assist. To enter the program, simply pick up your throttle and press button number 8 4 times in rapid succession. You may already know that button 8 is also used to mute the decoder as well as switch operational modes. As you press button 8, you will first hear the decoder mute, the transition between modes, another mute, and then you will enter Audio Assist. You cannot accidentally press button 8 too many times. So if you're having trouble entering Audio Assist, just keep pressing button 8. Once you've entered the program, you will hear the audio cue,
"Welcome to Audio Assist,"
and the system will begin listing the options available from that menu. If you want, you can consult your decoder literature's tree diagram and follow along with the program to perform your operations. The center pages of your WOW sound decoder literature depict the Audio Assist tree, and you can use this as a guide while you're using the program. Different menus have different options and different buttons, meaning that some menus are more complex than others. For example, lighting configurations have more steps involved and more buttons to press due to the number of options and possibilities. Other menus are more simple. The master volume menu, for example, only has 2 buttons. In this video series, we will be covering each of these menus in detail, so if you're confused, that's okay. The most important buttons to remember when using Audio Assist are button 8, button 9, and button 0. When making changes in Audio Assist, you must remember to save those changes by using button 8. If you do not save your changes before exiting Audio Assist or switching between menus, your changes will be discarded. An exception to this rule is the automatic calibrations. When performing an automatic calibration, these changes are saved automatically. You can exit Audio Assist at any time by pressing button 0, or you can return to the previous menu at any time by pressing button number 9. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, let us know, and check out the rest of the video series if you want to learn more about Audio Assist. Finger guns are like my thing, man.